So this would be the sample charting. Okay. So what would be the focus? So your focus, of course, the patient will have this cardiopulmonary arrest. So pwede yun. Okay, what would be the data? Patient relative fraction station report the patient unconsciousness, taking patay niya ang kaya ko. Okay, subjective complaints ba? Okay. Same on bed, unresponsive with hand scuff over chest. So yung data, observable data that you have seen to your patient. So you include assessment, rating, negative, false, negative. So pwedeng data rin to kasi pero data, rating, okay, false, negative. So dapat action na to Okay. So data, action, yung assessment mo, rating at saka negative or false. So at 9:40 AM, you activated the whole immediately. So action na ito focus data action. At 9:40, kasi may mga, there is a time. You have to put a time, which is very important when you do the documentation. Kasi, di ba, once, for example, this would happen kung nagkaroon ko ng court hearing. So, pasal lang ganitong oras. So, importante yun. So, at 9:40, you activated the code immediately. So, you have to position the patient flat on bed immediately and initiate CPR on the body. At 10 meters go through. At 9:41 AM, whole team arrived and assisted in intubation. Okay. So, at 9:45, defibrillation administered by whole team at 3 episodes. Noted a sinus activity after the third shock, which is very important. Yung na-observe nyo, kasama yung doon sa documentation. So, okay, documentation. Ano lang ko, diba? Gusto niyo magsarap? Okay. So, ano lang po sample, ba't niya si Ma'am Grace? Meron kayo Ma'am, diba? Hindi yung makikita niya. Kasi may gagawin, marami pa kayong activities na gagawin sa lab center na talagang itong ma-accord itong F-learn technique of doing chart in mga master nyo. Okay. So, emergency mitigation administered by member of the team. Okay? 12 minute easily done, tracing seen by AP, and the chest x-ray requested tracing by AP. So, you have to, once the chest x-ray has been done, you have to inform the AP for the AP to check yung yung plate, kasi baka magkaroon kayo ng ET adjustment, importante yun. So, lab specimen for ETA, GSC, etc. Request for drop T, CPK-MD. Okay, the drop T kasi to determine kung does patient pass sa drop T o drop I, cardiac delays niyan. Hindi naman siya routine, but mostly, may mga ganitong orders. So, coordinated with relatives at clinical, transfer, convey, support, and give reassurance. Lahat ng action nyo nakasulat. At 10:30, NTP certain consent form to be signed by relatives. At 10:40, inform the Italian Department of Change in Diet and Recobed. Ay, very polycatheter inserted, consent form to be signed by relatives. So, walang kawala. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng action ginawa nyo. IV fluids regulated, at 10:40, coordinated with the admitting section. From MICO transfer, coordinated with and OB and duty for transfer. Kompleto. Okay, coordinated with SRS, personnel of PR parameters. So, 10:55, transfer notes completed by EP. Be sure, but before transferring the patient on ICU, it should have a transfer notes. Importante na hanap yun. Kasi kung what was happened to the patient, nakasulat na siya. Then, place on the stretcher and prepare patient for transfer. The patient then pushed and please watch indoors relatives. So, kung ibinibigay nyo ng mga important things ng patient, parisip kasi baka for example, yung mga dentures, importante yun. Kasi once ng patient extubated na, siyempre, dentures kailangan yun, hinahanap yun dahil papakainin siya sa bibig. Paparisip nyo yan. Kasi kung ma-miss patient, kung pagawa ng bagong dentures, sino responsible dyan? Nurse, kasi siya yung nag-arrange sa patient. Tayo pa rin. Kaya be sure yung mga ganitong importanteng napaparisip. 11 a.m., successful resuscitation lasting for about 20 minutes. Bilis na revive, ha? Okay. At 11 a.m., will Puligo accompanied by AP. Once you transfer the patient to medical ICU, it should be accompanied by AP. Of course, there's always a doctor. It's the importance of rationality behind why you should have a doctor when transferring the patient at ICU. Kailangan po yung doktor. Okay, so kasi mostly yung mga patient na yan, unstable ba yan? Ha? Anything would happen along the area o mag-arrest ulit. Sa daan, mag-arrest o magagawa ng nurse na naman yan. Ha? Importante lagi yung kasama doktor. Hindi receive sa ICU kung walang kasama doktor, okay? Leaders will need to receiving nurse accordingly. Okay, sign by RNLGP.